Well, hi everybody. Hello, Prosper in Life here. How's everybody doing today? Just wanted to share with you on my channel today. I'm here in Steele Indian School Park, and I did not see this before when I was walking here, but there's a memorial. It's actually really sad, so I'll show it to you. So you walk this way here, down this little path that they made. So this is the memorial here that they made for these helicopter pilots and news anchors that unfortunately had a collision in the air, and their helicopters crashed here in the park, and they all lost their lives. So as you can see here, so on this 27th of July 2007, as I was saying, these four gentlemen, news anchors, pilots, lost their lives here in Phoenix, Arizona, over at Steele Indian School Park. And there's a special memorial here where you can see people have put flowers to remember them, and their memory will go on. So just wanted to share this with you that was in the park that I saw. And it's a beautiful park to be laid to rest. And I'm sure their memories will live on within the hearts of their families. So I'll just kind of show you around the park here. So, all right, so that's just a reminder as well that we must live each day as if it's our last. Must have a positive mindset, even though through our struggles, all the problems that everybody's going through now, especially with this COVID situation, we must remain strong. Laban, fight, be positive, and help others. Until my next video, stay positive, prosper in life.